Welcome back to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a simple, aromatic and nostalgic sweet, Rice Laddu. A perfect blend of rice, coconut and sugar made with pure love and tradition. Take 1 cup of rice. Wash it well with water. Rice Laddu is one of the oldest traditional sweets in South Asia. It's often made during harvest festival and celebration. Spread over a cotton cloth. Let it dry for about 10 minutes. Now pour the rice into a frying pan. Roast in low heat. Always roast the rice on low heat to get the nutty aroma. Keep stirring. Roast for 5 to 7 minutes until it turns aromatic. Cool it down for 5 minutes. Then pour into a blender. And blend into a smooth powder. Blend only after cooling to avoid moisture. In another pan, add 3/4 cup sugar, 2 cardamom, and 1 bay leaf. Half cup water. This recipe needs no ghee or milk, just pure rice and coconut magic. Let it boil until the sugar dissolves. Now add half cup grated coconut. Now add the blended rice powder. Mix everything well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. The blend of rice and coconut give it a natural sweetness and aroma. Don't overcook after adding rice powder, it thickens fast. Rice is a great source of energy and easy to digest. Coconut adds healthy fats and fiber. Cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes. No ghee makes this a light and clean sweet treat, perfect for kids and elders alike as a natural snack. When slightly warm, take small portion and shape them into soft round laddus. Shape the laddus while the mixture is slightly warm. Your rice coconut laddu is ready, soft, fragrant and full of homemade goodness. So try this rice coconut laddu today and bring back the taste of simple homemade sweets. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Innovent Cake and Cookies and stay tuned for more traditional delight.